media, guys. It is currently Sunday the 1st of February 2026 and we are on our way to Haynes Motor Museum, obviously for the Breakfast Club. It is an absolutely horrific day. I don't think there's going to be much there, but we're also going to be road tripping to Cheddar Gorge, which if you are into cars you'll know is famous for people driving up and down it really fast, but we're not really going there for that. We're just going there for a day out. So that's what we'll be doing today. We're going to bring you along with us. I hope it's going to be a good day despite the weather, because it is absolutely horrific. We've just gone to get coffee and Ellie has completely stacked herself and hurt her knee.
Not successful.
What are we going to do with you, eh? Well guys, we've had a nice day out at Haynes Breakfast Museum. We're now going to head off to Cheddar, but we're going to go to one of our favourite farm shops just up the road from Haynes, which is called Teals, because this one has fallen in love with the pastries they sell.
They're so good.
So we're going to go there first. So we headed to Teals Farm Shop, which is literally one junction away from Haynes. This little farm shop, located just outside South Cadbury in Somerset, opened in 2020. It sells all kinds of local farm produce and has an on-site butcher's counter and even a small coffee shop. What are you looking for?
A nice mayo for the steak paninis we're going to do for dinner.
Oh yeah, we're having steak paninis, aren't we?
Yeah.
This one can cook.
Righty. Smells quite nice.
Smoked garlic. That does sound quite nice.
Or truffle or mayo. Just no.
Smoked garlic mayonnaise sounds nice.
You reckon?
Yeah. Get that one. I see the goods.
Da da dun. Do they have the pan of chocolate?
Yeah, they do.
Do they?
You absolutely fall in love with Teals.
Oh, I look really busted there, babe.
There you
Hold
go.
it up slightly. Yeah, I love it.
And actual butter.
Yeah, I've got a little haul going.
Nice. And actually, I'm going to have the almond croissant as always. You can have a pan of chocolate.
Yeah, I forgot I wanted to look at balsamic glaze.
A little Teals bag.
Little Teals, cute.
And then we've also got
Ooh, pan of chocolate.
the goods. Okay, panic now over. The car's start motor decided to stick for a minute and then it just wouldn't start, but it seems to be working okay now. Fords, fix or repair daily.
It's so flaky. What? Managed to fix that then.
Car, isn't it? Once we ate, we headed off to Cheddar, which is also in Somerset, and the weather was absolutely awful. Once we arrived, my girlfriend naturally wanted a cupcake from this cute little shop. The village of Cheddar is located in the Mendip Hills in Somerset. It has a population of around 6,000 people, and yes, cheddar cheese was actually named after this place. Historically, besides cheese, strawberry growing is also a significant industry here. You'll find a place for pick and mix. Lots of pick and mix. I've got lots of sweeties in this shop. I like this one. Private sign, do not read. Oh damn! Like some fun balls, babe.
Already had some less. Oh god, that's supposed to be.
Yeah, very good. Matching the Ferrari jacket.
Matchy.
Matching. There's an avocado.
No
Nice guacamole.
Thanks.
You are awesome. There you go. That's for you, BFF. Straight past the traditional fudge bars.
Oh. No.
$4.95 per bar. I know you love fudge.
Yeah.
It wouldn't be Somerset, would it, without cheese
Haynes.
and cider? Yeah, buy honeycomb.
Sure.
Oh, Mark 1 Focus in red. 4-door though. Bah!
That's no.
Bah! Please, wrong one. That's right. I know cows. I know what a pig looks like. I like that a lot. Yeah, little one. That'll do. No dirt lumps. Vaping in my videos. Can't hide back there. You can't hide back there. Lovely, pretty aesthetic. M3 comp. Yeah, of course we're filming the car while we're here. Cheddar Gorge is a limestone gorge carved into the Mendip Hills. It is the largest inland gorge in England, measuring almost 3 miles in length, and was formed almost 1.2 million years ago, which according to my girlfriend was around the time I was born. Can you take a portrait one and do the photos? Do it again.
They're coming to my cooling.
They're not coming to your bloody cooling.
They're coming to my cooling.
No. Picking up things to go in the memory book. Guys, I'm going to end the video there because the rain has got really bad and we're going to go home now anyway. It's been a fun day. We've been to Haynes and then we'll just come out for a little road trip. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.